Remember Daniel? He is back from casting his first coding spell with Print. Hello world! Today he's ready for the next adventure. This time, Daniel's friend Python Snake will introduce a magical turtle to him who can draw anything in the coding world. But to unlock the turtle's drawing power, Daniel must learn the magic commands to guide it. Let's help Daniel learn how to control turtle using Python Turtle.
Hi, Daniel. This is our magic turtle. And guess what? You can make it draw anything, but you will need to learn some special turtle commands. Ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
To start, we need to call turtle from its magic word. The turtle is sleeping, but when Daniel calls its name using import turtle, it's ready to go. Let's create a new turtle friend and name T for turtle. To start, we need to call turtle from its magic word.
Python Turtle loves to draw. Python Snake tells Daniel that he can control the turtle with simple commands. Python Snake challenges Daniel to get the turtle across a magical grid, but there's a catch. Daniel has to get it using the red spell worlds. Daniel needs the turtle to walk across the screen by saying T.forward 100. The turtle moves forward 100 steps. But if Daniel says T.left 90, the turtle will turn left and walk in that direction. Try it out. Python Snake tells Daniel that the turtle loves drawing shapes. Daniel needs to cast loop spells to make the turtle draw shapes like square, circles, and etc. Daniel has learned to make the turtle walk, but now he can make it draw cool shapes. To draw a square, Daniel tells the turtle to walk around and turn left 4 times. That's like making the turtle walk around a magic box.
Daniel, let's make our turtle move forward. You can tell it to go a certain number of steps by using T.forward. You can also tell the turtle to turn left. Use T.left 90 to make it turn by 90 degrees.
Okay, let's try that.
The turtle can't just draw in black and white. Python Snake tells Daniel how to add magic color spells to the turtle's drawing. Now it's time to add some color to the turtle drawings. Daniel tells the turtle to pick up a blue pen and start drawing with it. He can also make the pen thicker with the T.pen size 5. What other colors can Daniel make the turtle use? Do you know? Python Snake gives Daniel challenges to create a magical drawing using everything he has learned so far, shapes, colors, and loops. The turtle needs a big design to unlock the next level of magic. For the ultimate turtle challenge, Daniel needs to make a beautiful star. By combining loops and angles, the turtle can draw a magical star. The turtle spins around and draws lines to form a star with many points. After learning all the basics, Daniel can now work on a final turtle project where he can create his own turtle design using all the concepts: moving, turning, drawing shapes, and using colors.
Interactive challenges number 1. Help Daniel draw a house. The turtle needs to draw a square for the walls and a triangle for the roof.
Woohoo! Here's Daniel's code. Try your own magic commands and let's see whose house is more beautiful. Look at that! Daniel just made a beautiful house. With just a few lines of code, the turtle can create endless designs. What will you create next?
Now it's your turn again, Daniel. Create anything you like using everything you've learned. Loops, colors, and shapes. What will you create?
I'm going to make a rainbow square.
Alright. Interactive challenge number 2. Daniel wants to draw a rainbow square. Can you use the turtle to draw multiple colorful lines?
Dun 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 dun! Up there is Daniel's coding. Does yours look like him? What do you think of his answer? Please let me know in the comment area.
Congratulations, Daniel! You mastered turtle magic. But this is only the beginning of your coding journey. There are so many more magical things you can create with Python.
That's right. Daniel just unlocked the first level of turtle magic. But the adventure never ends. Next time, who knows what new coding magic will Daniel discover? Will you join us?